chance. Oh, and he's hit the crossbar. The Welsh bench distraught.
Gary was so loved by everybody.
The players had to stand up and show a bit of courage.
We deserve it. This is what we've been screaming for.
That first game was talked about for months.
You could sense that excitement.
I knew we wouldn't get beat.
The whole stadium erupted.
Gareth Bale!
That was the moment we'd all been waiting for.
Unbelievable!
I've never seen a Welsh team play so well.
Wales have surely pulled it off!
To experience it with Wales was an amazing thing.
If you could press pause and stay in that moment, be there forever. Taffs everywhere.
I think that's when it hit home exactly what it meant to the Welsh people.
I've never seen a connection between the team and fans like that.
It doesn't just change football, I think it changed the country.